Welcome to Story Imagination. Do you know there's a very special town in Tamil Nadu called Pilliyarpatti? It is named after Lord Ganesha, whom people lovingly call Pillayar in Tamil. Can you guess what Pillayar means? Pillai means child, and Yar is like saying sir. So Pillayar is the honored child of everyone, a loving child for everyone. In this town, there is a very old cave temple called the Karpaga Vinayaka temple, carved during the early Pandya period. He is called Karpaga Vinayaka because he is believed to grant wishes, just like the magical heavenly Kalpavriksha in stories that gives whatever you desire. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. What makes this Ganesha so special? The Ganesha here is carved right out of the rock inside a cave. You can't walk all around him like in other temples. The sculptor's name is also inscribed, Ikkatur Kon Peruparanan. The Ganesha here is 6 feet tall, big and majestic. Most Ganesha idols have trunks that turn left. But guess what? Our Pillayar's trunk turns right and holds a modak. This is very rare and powerful, and this special form is called Valampuri Vinayaka. Just like the magical Valampuri conch, he is believed to bring luck, happiness and protection. Valampuri Vinayaka is very powerful, hence worshipped in temples where priests do all the rituals perfectly. At home, people usually worship Ganesha with the trunk bent to the left, who is gentle, happy and brings blessings easily. If you look closely, he sits cross-legged, Ardha Padmasana pose, like a yogi, with his tummy not touching the seat. Usually Ganesha has a big belly, right? But here, his head is bigger, showing us that filling our mind with knowledge is more important than just filling our tummy. So this Ganesha is a giver of wisdom and knowledge. Another special thing, usually Lord Ganesha has 4 hands, but here he has only 2. He holds a Shivalingam in his right hand instead of a modak and sits peacefully in meditation, praying for everyone's happiness. His left hand rests on his hip, a symbol of confidence and power, saying, "Do not worry, I'm there for you." Even though this temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, everyone knows it as Ganesha's temple because he has such magical features. Also that he is holding Lord Shiva in his hand. So apart from Karpaga Vinayaka, the temple also has 3 Shivalingams, Tiruvishar, Marudishar and Senchadeshwarar, and 3 goddesses, Shivagami Amman, Vadamalar Mangai and Soundaranayaki Amman. The temple also has goddess Katyayani Amman and Pashupatishwarar, a cow worshipping Lord Shiva by offering her milk. The Sthala Vriksham or the sacred tree here is the Maruda Maram or the Arjun tree. Every year, the temple celebrates Vinayaka Chaturthi for 10 days with music, dance and a great chariot procession. And here's something truly magical. Scholars say that because of the right bent trunk, Lord Ganesha's head looks like the sacred sound Om. If you trace a curve along his right tusk, move clockwise over his head, then follow a curve along his left tusk and down his trunk, you will notice the Tamil letter O, and the Shivalingam he holds forms the shape of the letter M. Put them together, it forms Om. What a divine wonder! So next time you hear about Pilliyarpatti, remember it is the loving home of the magical Karpaga Vinayakar, protected and managed by the Nattukotai Nagarathars. Pilliyarpatti is in Shivaganga district, about 12 kilometers from Karaikudi and 71 kilometers from Madurai. If you happen to visit Karaikudi, do not forget to visit Pilliyarpatti and seek Pillayarappa's blessings. Pillayar, Pillayar, Perumai vaayntha Pillayar, 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 Arulai Tharum Pillayar. See you another day with another story. Stay safe and stay happy. Ta-ta.